Hello and welcome to another update video about GALA. Yeah, GALA continues to be in this same pattern. The market is sort of in no man's land at the moment. Yeah, and also GALA here. Just sideways consolidation. I'm not sure if we get much more movement today. I mean, it's Friday, but maybe we get hopefully a breakout at some point. And all it needs, I mean, either a break below support that will finally hopefully flush the last weak hands out, and then ideally the price can attempt an impulsive rally from there, or we move up from here, but then we need 5 waves up to confirm that a low has already formed, because price action from the lows hasn't been impulsive. So you can see that here we moved up to the 100% extension level, which is in the yellow scenario in which I'm tracking an ABC rally from the 13th of April low. Well, that's an ideal target, for a C wave. As I said before, last video, I think I specifically made you aware that GALA had arrived at a critical juncture. Now, unfortunately, there isn't much movement at the moment, so it's very repetitive, all these updates. But that's, I'm not making the market, so can't do anything about it. But the idea is that if a fifth wave to the downside is forming, it should reach possibly 3 cents. That's the next key support level. It's the 1.618 Fibonacci extension to the downside, or reach 2.65 cents. That's the 61.8 retracement. These are the next key levels to watch there on this chart if another low forms. Obviously, this is only valid, this yellow count, as long as the price stays below the 5.33 cent level, which is that 100% extension level, and we would likely see an increase in downside momentum if there's a break below this last swing low. That would be confirmation level that the fifth wave to the downside is unfolding to 3 cents next, and that support level is at 3.8 cents. So this level really needs to break. Then we can talk about, okay, fifth wave is unfolding. Conversely, for the white scenario, which indicates that we might have bottomed already, which I've highlighted here with a question mark, because it needs to prove itself first, right? Because it's only a diagonal, there's no impulse here. If this is the case to the upside, we need to hold, obviously, that wave 2 low here, which is that 3.8 cent level, and break above the Wednesday high. And a third wave in this, what would be a diagonal pattern, needs to reach 6 cents. Then we get a fourth wave, and the fifth wave needs to reach 6.5 cents. Or we don't have a reliable 5-wave pattern. I mean, reliable diagonals are never really reliable. We can't really trust them because they could be very easily, they could just be corrective structures. Okay, so again, we are in no man's land. It's really a test of patience, and yeah, what can I say? These are the parameters to watch. Obviously, as we go higher, when we get 5 waves up, then we have a first confirmation that the low formed. I will then be able to add the next support zone to the chart. I mean, the price did already react to our orange support zone. Just, I think it's important to understand that this is a substantial correction, and this might be one of the last major ones in this bullish market. Obviously, I don't know if support is going to hold. The 1.9 cent level is, for me, overall, let's say the pivot between a bearish market and a bullish market, specifically here for GALA. Ideally, it's holding because Bitcoin is still in a bull market. At least at the moment, I have no evidence that this is not the case. So that's the key level. As long as 1.9 cents is holding, overall, the expectation would be that the next rally is a C wave rally. That should take the price to 23 cents. But yeah, ideally, we get a bit of a 5-wave move up to confirm that this has actually started. All I want to say is it might be sort of the last major pullback before a substantial rally is starting. That's across the altcoin sector. Doesn't mean it's guaranteed. Doesn't mean you should go all in. Okay, it's just do your trader math. Understand how much you want to risk per trade. Understand that most altcoins are correlated, so you don't want to go into 100 trades. If you risk 1% in each trade, then you risk 100%. That's not really the point. Yeah. So risk management is important. But yeah, that is at the moment how I see GALA. So hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.